begin with chapter number 9 from your economics book of grade 12, and the name of the chapter is Forms of Market. And we are going to start from perfect competitive market or perfect competition market. First, we need to understand the meaning. Perfect competition is a market structure in which there are a large number of producers. You have to memorize this. Large number of producers or farms producing a homogeneous product so that no individual farm can influence the price of the commodity. Here we will find that the farm under perfect competition is assumed to be the price taker rather than the price maker of their products. A farm is said to be price taker when it is able to affect the price of the output it sells, and it has to sell the product at the market price. So what are the features of perfect competition market? Long number of buyers and sellers. A farm under perfect competition cannot influence the market price by increasing or decreasing the quantity of the output it produces. A farm is therefore a price taker rather than price maker. Homogeneous product. And the product of one farm is perfect substitute of another farm's product. The homogeneity of the product refers not only the physical characteristics of the commodity such as quality, color, size, design, chemical ingredients, etc., but also the environmental factors such as allocation or location of the sellers, credit facilities, etc. Next we are having freedom of entry and exit of the farms in the market. New farms are free to enter the industry and start production if they also wish, and existing farms are free to cease production and leave the industry if they so desire. There is no restriction that you cannot go or you cannot leave the production process. Anybody can come and go at any point of time. Perfect mobile of resources. This characteristics ensures that resources or factors of production can enter into or quit from the industry at will. This characteristics implements or implies that resources are able to switch over from one use to another use without any restriction. Perfect knowledge. Here they are trying to say us that each farm knows the price prevailing in the market and it would not sell the commodity at a price below the market price. Similarly, each buyer has a perfect knowledge about the prevailing price of the characteristics of the product being sold, and he is not prepared to pay a higher price than the price prevailing in the market. There is a perfect knowledge about, they're saying, about the producers and the sellers. Both are having the perfect knowledge about the product and the price. So absence of transport cost. The buyers and sellers incur no transport cost in purchasing and selling these goods. In other words, there is no cost of transportation. Next we are having monopoly. What is the meaning of monopoly market? The term monopoly is derived from the Greek words, namely monos and polos. Monos means single and polos means seller. Thus, monopoly is a market structure in which there exists only a single seller or sole producer of the product to which has no close substitute. This have to be memorized. Next, what are the features? Single seller. Monopoly is a market situation where there is only one seller or producer called monopolist of the commodity. However, the number of buyers of the product is large, as because the seller is one, the buyers will be more. Consequently, no buyer can influence the price of the product under monopoly. Okay, absence of close substitute. The good which can be easily used for each other and are available at nearby the same price are known as close substitute, and this product, or you can say the products which are sold by the monopolist, are not having any close substitute. Okay, the consumers will have to buy the commodity from the monopolist only. Monopoly will not exist in case there is competition among products. Closed entry means once they're entering, they cannot leave the farm. Okay, monopoly is characterized by barriers to entry which exist when entrepreneurs face obstacles while joining a profitable industry. There are some barriers or restrictions on the entry of new farms into the monopoly industry. Next, price maker. A monopoly farm is a price maker or price setter. It is the sole producer of a product. Monopoly represents a situation of a high market price, high market power. A farm with market power is called a price market. This is in contrast to a competitive farm, which is a price taker with zero market power. Possibility of price discrimination. Price discrimination refers to a situation where a producer sells the same product to different buyers at two or more different prices for reasons not associated with differences in the cost of supply. The product is different to different consumers, so they can discriminate according to the sellers. Okay, monopoly is the opposite extreme of perfect competition.